This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the language in the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I've got my phone opened up now, and I am on the TikTok app. To change the language in the settings, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then from here, you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Now you will tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here, you will scroll down to where you see it says Language and tap on that. In the app language right up here, you'll need to tap on that. And then from here, it gives you a wide variety of languages to choose from. You just select whatever language you use and tap on it. That is how you change the language in the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.